Do you think it's possible to understand and learn the language of the animals like Prophet Solomon, peace be upon him? Chapter 27, verse 16. Solomon inherited from David and said, O mankind, we have been taught the language of the birds, and we have been given of all things. Truly, this is clear bounty. Scientists are studying and using a combination of animal linguistics and AI to decode animal communications. There are many projects, non-profit organizations studying this science. The end goal is to achieve a two-way communications between humans and animals.